We've got a few projects coming up. First and the biggest and the most expensive one is the house. I can't wait to get in there, but we're not going to get in there for a couple of years. The house will get finished, but we're going to have to rent it to start paying it back.
My mum was kicking our butts about putting a house on, and I think she'd seen far too many programs on TV about translocating houses, and she was just absolutely in love with the idea, and she kept pushing me, and Phil didn't even see the house until the day it arrived.
I didn't know too much about it before then either.
He just totally trusted us, but we knew with having 2 bathrooms, 4 bedrooms, and the potential of putting on some decks, that it was pretty much a no-brainer. And it was within our budget, and that was obviously one of our constraints.
And of course, when you move a house on, you can orientate it exactly the way you want.
Yes, oh yes. I said the whole house had to be orientated so that the kitchen window faced down the valley. When the planners came, they literally worked out exactly where that kitchen window was going to go, according to the plans, and they made me stand there and they said, "Are you happy?" I said, "Yes, I am." But in actual fact, it's worked out really, really well because it is kind of a north-facing house. And we do get lots of breezes. It's going to be a cool house, and we're insulating all the exterior walls at the moment, which is a bit of a pain. We're redoing the ceilings. I'm upskilling my puttying and window skills. Phil's been doing a little bit of building, so it's coming along and growing.
It's a big project.
It's just a big project.
Keep you busy.
We're up for it. You know, we're fit. We've got skills.
Yeah, we are.